Want to create smooth velocity edits like viral TikTok and anime edits? In this video, I'll show you how to make amazing velocity edits using Capcut step by step. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to edit. Choose clips with fast movement, action scenes, dance clips, sports moments. Velocity edits work best with motion. Cut unnecessary parts from the video. Keep only the best moments. Shorter clips create smoother and more energetic edits. Tap on your clip, then select Speed and tap Curve. You'll see several presets like Montage, Hero, Bullet, Flash In. Choose one to start. For advanced edits, tap Custom. Now add speed points manually. Example. Slow down before the beat, speed up during transitions, slow motion on impact moments. This creates the famous velocity effect. Import your music track. Use beat markers to match speed changes with the song. Velocity edits look much better when synced perfectly to music. Now enhance your edit with effects like motion blur, shake, flash, blur, transitions. These make the edit feel smoother and more cinematic. Now adjust contrast, saturation, sharpening. This gives your edit a professional anime or cinematic look. To avoid laggy slow motion, use high FPS clips if possible. Enable smooth slow motion options. This improves edit quality dramatically. Don't overuse speed changes. Good velocity edits are smooth, beat synced, easy to follow. Too many effects can make the video messy. And that's how to make velocity edits in Capcut. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Capcut editing tutorials.